Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time we completed Surah Rahman. Now we'll start Surah Nas inshallah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Kul say, Kul say, A'udhu, I seek refuge. A'udhu, I seek refuge. Be with Rab, Lord, Rab, Lord, An Nas, the people, the mankind. I seek refuge with the Lord of the people. Malik, King. Malik mean King. An Nas, the people, the King of people. Ilah mean God. Ilah, God. An Nas, people. Ilahin Nas, God of the people. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the mankind, the Lord of people, who is the King of people and the God of people. So, from which thing we are seeking refuge? It is written here. Min, from, shari, evil, shari, evil. Waswas mean whisperer. Waswas mean the whisperer. Al-Khannas mean the one who withdraws. Al-Khannas mean the one who withdraws. So the word Khannas is used for the devil. Do you know why we use this word for the devil? Khatija Noor, do you know?
See, Shaitan, he plants thoughts, whispers, encourages us
Shaitan,
to do things.
the devil, always remain with our heart. Okay? The devil
Okay.
always remain with our heart when we say the name of Allah, like we say Subhanallah, like we say Alhamdulillah, like we say Allahu Akbar, like we say La ilaha illallah, like we say Astaghfirullah. Whenever we mention the name of Allah, the devil withdraws from our heart. He goes away from our heart. That's why this word Khannas is used for the devil, the one who withdraws. Okay? Why we
Yeah.
use the word? Because when we remember the name of Allah, He goes away. He withdraws from our heart. So that's why we use this word khannas for the devil. Okay?
Yeah.
Say, I seek refuge from the evil of whisperer who the one who withdraws. Say, I seek refuge from the evil of whisperer, the one who withdraws, when we remember, when we mention the name of Allah. Allazi, the one, Yuwaswisu, who whispers. This is a verb and this is a noun. The one who whispers. Fi, in. Sudur mean chest. Basically, it means hearts. The one who whispers in the chest of humans, mankind. The one who whispers, the one who put terrible things, terrible ideas in the chest of mankind, or terrible thinkings in the chest of mankind. Minal jinnati wan nas, and he is from both jinn and human. So, as you know, the devil is from both jinn and from both human. Bad people are also devil, bad jinn are also devil. Okay?
Yeah.
If anyone
Okay.
has any difficult word, you can ask me.
Jazakallah, you explained very, very well.
Alhamdulillah. Does any of you wants to recite it now?
I can try.
Okay, recite it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, the most grace, the most gracious and the most merciful.
Okay, just recite it. No need to translate at the moment.
Okay. Qul a'udhu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, alladzi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas.
Africa?
Should we start it Surah Falak right now or next time?
It's up to you.
Noor, what do you want?
Up to you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Kul say, Auzu, I seek refuge. Be with Rab mean Lord Al Falak. Falak mean the early light, the dawn. There is another word for it. Dawn of the morning. What Khadija do you use for Falak in English? Let me see.
Some dawnbreak.
First appearance of light in the morning. Okay.
Yeah.
Falak mean the first appearance of light in the morning, which is also known as dawn or daybreak.
Or daybreak. Yeah, daybreak, dawn.
Yes. Daybreak is the better. Okay. I seek refuge with the Lord of daybreak. Now, Falak has some other meanings also, but most of the scholars use the meaning daybreak for this. Min from, shari evil, ma what, khalaka he created, Allah created. I seek refuge with the Lord of daybreak from the evil of what Allah created, from the evil of what He created, and min shari, and from the evil of ghasikin, darkness, ghasikin, darkness, iza, when wakab, it spreads, and from the evil of darkness when it spreads. Wa min, and from shari, evil, nafasat. Nafasat mean those ladies, those witches who blow, from the evil of blowers. Fil ukad, on the knots, from the evil of the witches who blow on the knot. As you know, it is done in black magic. No, do you have black magic in your country?
I heard, but I never see one. But I only hear.
Okay. For what purpose do they use black magic?
Sometimes when they like somebody or they don't hate somebody.
Yes. Usually they, when somebody loves someone but in return that person does not love him, they use black magic to capture him. And when they hate someone, they use black magic to harm them. Some people use black magic to cause divorce and problem between husband and wife. And every for evil purposes they use black magic. And we Muslim cannot use it in any case. And Khatija, do you have black magic in your country?
Yeah, I think there has been
But I think,
one time, and now I think it's popular in cultures. Different cultures. I think they still use it, don't they?
majority of people in your country don't believe in it. Am I right?
most of the British original people, but people from other cultures will believe in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this basically we are asking refuge of Allah from the black magic or such things. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ, and from the evil of the envier. Hasid mean envier. Iza hasada, when he envies. So basically we are saying I seek refuge of Allah from the evil of what he created, especially from the evil of darkness when it spreads, and from the evil of witches who blows on the night knots, and from the evil of envier when he invites. Okay, so darkness means basically a dark night when it spreads. Any difficult word? Any question?
No.
Is it the last sentence refers to the evil eye?
No, evil eye is a different thing. Hasid mean
Okay.
jealousy. Okay, hasad mean
Okay.
jealousy, and in evil eye we usually don't have any jealousy. For example, you love your daughter. Okay, so sometime may, yeah, she come to you, you like, you see that she's looking very beautiful, and in that case evil eye can harm her. But hasad is a
Oh,
jealousy,
okay,
which is a
okay.
different thing. So in
Okay.
evil eye we may
Jazakumullah
like
khairan.
someone, we may love someone, we may appreciate someone, but we forget to say mashallah, and then evil eye comes into effect. But in hasid, hasad, we have jealousy. Okay,
Okay.
any difficult word?
No, I don't think so.
Okay,
So Nefertiti is feminine.
which word?
Min sharril Nefertiti.
Yes,
Nefer.
nafasa.
Yeah.
It is for feminine. Usually women do these things in Pakistan. Whenever I see anyone, like, most of the such clients are usually females. I don't know why. What about Philippines and other countries? But in Pakistan, in India, in Bangladesh, usually women go to these people for doing these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same with the Philippines.
Yes. What do you
Because
think?
I
What is
think
the
women
reason
are weak.
why?
Because women are weak.
Why?
Women are weak.
Okay.
Full of desires.
Yeah. So they go and do these things. Okay, may Allah protect all of us from these
I
things.
mean,
I mean,
So and that's why in Quran the word feminine is also used. Okay. Now you can recite if
okay.
anyone wants to recite.
Shall we go with this one? Yeah. Inshallah.
Okay, recite.
Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل أعوذ برب بالفلق. Voice is going. من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
Sadaqallahu Azim. Next time, inshallah, we will continue from here. Okay.